What if a legendary, classic pickup was reborn for the modern era without losing its soul? This is the 2026 Chevrolet C10, a truck that blends timeless American design with subtle futuristic touches. At first glance, it looks familiar, but the more you look, the more you realize this is not just a retro remake. Stay with me, because one detail later in this review completely changes how you see this truck. The 2026 Chevrolet C10 makes a powerful first impression. From the front, you can clearly see the inspiration from the original C10 models, with a wide, flat hood and a strong, boxy stance. But Chevrolet has updated the look with sleek, horizontal LED lighting that stretches across the grille. These lights give the truck a futuristic signature while still respecting its classic roots. The bold Chevrolet badge sits confidently in the center, reminding everyone that this is pure American heritage. Moving to the side profile, the truck's proportions feel just right. The long bed and clean body lines instantly bring back memories of classic pickup design, but everything feels tighter and more refined. The body sits lower and wider, giving it a confident road presence. Modern wheels and low-profile tires add a contemporary edge, while the smooth paint finish reflects city lights beautifully. This is the kind of truck that looks just as good parked downtown as it does cruising along the highway. At the rear, the 2026 C10 continues the balance between old and new. The tailgate design is simple and clean, with modern vertical LED taillights that feel futuristic without being overdone. The rear bumper has a solid, polished look that reinforces the truck's durability. Even standing still, the C10 feels strong and ready for work, but also stylish enough for daily driving. Now let's step inside, because this is where the biggest surprise begins. The interior of the 2026 Chevrolet C10 is a perfect example of modern comfort wrapped in classic simplicity. The dashboard layout is clean and horizontal, inspired by vintage trucks, but upgraded with modern materials and technology. Soft leather seats, premium stitching, and warm ambient lighting create an interior that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find a digital instrument cluster designed to look like classic analog gauges. This small detail makes a huge difference because it keeps the nostalgic feel alive while delivering modern accuracy and features. In the center, the infotainment system is neatly integrated, not dominating the dashboard, but blending in naturally. This design choice shows that Chevrolet understands what C10 fans really want. At first, the 2026 C10 feels like a stylish lifestyle truck, but hidden beneath this classic shell is modern performance technology that changes everything. While Chevrolet hasn't revealed every detail yet, it's expected that the C10 will offer multiple powertrain options, possibly including an advanced electric or hybrid setup. That means this classic-looking truck could deliver instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive efficiency. Imagine driving a truck that looks like it came from the past, but performs like it was built for the future. That contrast is what makes the 2026 Chevrolet C10 so exciting. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about reimagining what a pickup truck can be in today's world. On the road, the C10 is expected to focus on comfort and stability rather than extreme off-road performance. The low stance, wide track, and modern suspension setup suggest a smooth and confident driving experience. This is a truck designed for people who appreciate design, history, and everyday usability. Another important aspect is practicality. The long bed remains functional, offering enough space for hauling gear, bikes, or work equipment. Chevrolet seems to be targeting buyers who want a truck that looks incredible but can still handle real-life tasks without compromise. The 2026 Chevrolet C10 is more than just a truck. It's a bridge between generations, combining classic American pickup DNA with modern design and technology. Whether you're a longtime C10 fan or someone discovering this legend for the first time, this truck delivers something truly special. Classic on the outside, modern on the inside, and future-ready under the hood. That's the new Chevrolet C10.